Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to RWD Status. Today is a not so great day, seeing as last night the 240 broke down. Anyway, it's not actually broken, but kind of is broken. Nothing's the matter with the engine whatsoever. Everything's okay for the most part. I just lost my front brakes. One of the lines were actually rubbing against the front tire and ruptured. Lost brakes. Thank goodness that I have a hydro brake, and that hydro brake literally saved me from crashing. So we're gonna unload this thing real quick and take the tire off and start to repair the brake line. There's always something that breaks, right? Such as car life. We're gonna get ready to make it to the track this Saturday. So that's the plan. We're definitely gonna make it out there. If you guys are there, make sure you come by and say what's up. We're gonna have a little booth up or a little tent or whatever. And I'll be there with this dude over here from SC Factory. But enough talking real quick. We gotta get to work. Alright guys, we got the 240 inside. Time to get this wheel off. As you can see, I already jacked the car up. Got it already. I've already located the brake line that's damaged. It's the driver's side front brake line. I'm gonna pop the hood real quick. Anyway, let's get back to it. It's right here. See if I can zoom in on there. Difficult here. Honestly, there's definitely not enough light. However, it's the last line on the reservoir. It's the third one. All right, so about to take this wheel off real quick. I already double checked the lines. Unfortunately, it's a ruptured line. Not too much we can do about that. We're gonna replace them tomorrow. It's already about 5 o'clock or 5 o'clock. It's like 7 o'clock, guys. So there's basically nowhere I can get these lines at right now. But I will definitely get that tomorrow morning. I'm gonna hurry up and disassemble everything, get everything mocked up, ready. We need to get this car ready for O.S.W. So in order to get everything done for O.S.W, we gotta check off a few things on the list. 1, changing fluids. 2, obtaining tires. 3, obviously the most important part, making sure I have brakes. Because as of right now, I only have a hydro brake. Literally the car almost fell off the trailer, getting on the trailer, getting off the trailer. It's basically like stressful. Stressful is this guy that you can't see on camera right here, like breathing down my fucking neck. But yeah, so let's get back to this 340 real quick. Brand new tires. Ooh, might throw these in the back so I can drift them. Throw one of these jack stands on real quick. About to just go up just a little bit more. Alright. This wheel turned. Alright, pretty dirty in here, I gotta clean this up. But that's not the brake line that was the issue. That one's definitely fine. Got that from, it's an ISR brake line. That's the issue right there. Let me see if I can clear that up for you guys so you can really get a good look at it. Alright, you see that, guys? That thing is jacked up. Alright, that's where all the fluid's coming out of. So, gonna go get a replacement for that. Get it routed over here to my master cylinder. Got the light here so you can actually see this time. It's that fitting right there that you can see. That only one right there. Alright, you can see that line right there. The one that's super close to my downpipe. Yeah, not a good idea. So not only that, I'm probably gonna be wrapping my downpipe pretty soon. And that's the line that needs to be replaced right there. Alright guys, we're gonna keep this video fairly brief today. A lot of things we gotta take care of this week. this is definitely going to be quite a busy week full of content, goodies, upgrades, maintenance, life. But yeah, all right, that's it for the Widebody 240 today. Like I said, we'll get those brakes put on tomorrow morning. Everything bled out. Go pick up the new tires. I actually have some spacers. Grab those real quick. Ooh. We actually got some new spacers. Get the fitment on the back properly. You know, have that looking a lot better. Can't wait for that. And do a cleanup because she definitely needs a bath. But other than that, guys, like always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. Helps out a lot. I appreciate it, guys. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out, guys. Thanks.